At Lantz Construction, what we build may vary, but one thing remains constant. There is always a story. In February, the continuous days of winter weather have us wishing for the warmer days ahead. And for one of our valley towns, the upcoming summer season brings with it an exciting reveal. The Town of Broadway's community pool is currently undergoing a significant renovation, something that has been on the town's radar for some time. For decades, the pool has served as Broadway's hub for summertime activity and a place where many memories have been made.
This project is something that our community is so excited about. This pool has been in town for over 40 years, and with this upgrade is going to make it one of the nicest community pools in the entire Shenandoah Valley.
Lantz is completing the work now during winter and early spring in order for the pool to open for the summer season. Join us again soon for Building Our Communities, presented by Lantz Construction.